Is the state out of a drug that's used in lethal injection executions?
That's the word from a lawsuit filed against the state. But as News Channel 5's Kyle Horan continues our coverage, lawmakers say today there's no solid evidence to suggest the state isn't prepared to carry out death sentences.
The lawsuit claims that Tennessee no longer has a drug called vecuronium, basing those claims on an email from a pharmacist to prison officials. The email says this: "I'm still having a difficult time sourcing the vecuronium." Then it adds a different drug could be used instead, but that would mean changing the execution protocol. New drugs could mean new lawsuits against the state. The claims could delay death row executions in Tennessee, including 3 from this year. But according to one state lawmaker, it's a ploy, one that won't work. State Representative William Lambert says he's confident the Department of Correction can and will carry out death sentences.
What you're referring to is not anything that has been factually proven by anyone. What it is a filing by, quite frankly, desperate lawyers that represent a client who's been on death row for decades, where they are grasping at any straw they possibly can to just try to stay this execution. I understand from a legal standpoint why they would put that out there, but at this juncture, there's no evidence whatsoever that there's a factual basis to it.
Lambert says he has no concern the state will be able to source vecuronium, and that the state has a strong case here.
They have a couple of redacted emails from employees, and I'm confident that the Attorney General's office and TDOC and the court system will get to the bottom of what the facts are on that.
But right now, TDOC has refused to comment on the pending litigation. Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.
The governor addressed the issue last night. He says he has heard of it, but didn't know whether or not the state was out of the drug.